The Luckeep 1500-watt folding e-bike boasts a powerful 1500-watt peak motor, allowing riders to easily conquer various terrains including beaches, mountains, and city streets. With a 48-volt 15-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, this e-bike offers an impressive range of up to 60 miles on pedal assist mode, ensuring long-distance rides are hassle-free. Advanced NFC technology allows for effortless unlocking of the bike, while versatile riding modes and cruise control provide customized and smooth riding experiences. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame and equipped with dual mechanical disc brakes, the Luckeep e-bike ensures a comfortable and safe ride in any weather condition. The foldable design of this e-bike makes it highly portable, with durable 4-inch fat tires that provide excellent traction on sand, snow, and mountain paths. Luckeep offers excellent customer support and a focus on safety, with the e-bike coming mostly pre-assembled and backed by a dedicated after-sales team.